Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your Google form private. I'm happy to have you here. Now, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed into your Google Forms, alright? And you can achieve that by heading to your Google Chrome browser and just typing in Google Forms and then you get yourself signed in. Now, to ensure that you're signed in easily, make sure you have your Gmail already signed in to your PC or whatever the device you're using for the purpose of this video. Now, having properly signed in, the next thing you want to do is choose the template you want to work with. So you can pick any of your recent forms or create a new form or pick any template. So I'll just pick this particular template and open it up to show you how to make your Google form private. So for instance, this is a Google form that shows the party invite. All right, so and I do not want everyone to have access to this form, but to a limited persons. The first thing I will do is head over to my settings over here at the top. So I'll click on settings and it will take me to this page. Now on this page, I would ensure that I limit my responses to particular respondents. So I'll just click on this and I would head over to this first option here and then ensure it is on do not collect. All right, so this will limit the number of persons that I want their email addresses to have access to this particular form. So if I choose responder input, you can see that respondents can manually enter their email responses. All right, so if I pick verified, it will be open to all the persons that have access to this Google form. But if I pick do not collect, it will be limited to the persons that I will give access to this form. I would also ensure that if this is not open, I would also ensure that I open this to limit it to the persons that I want to have access to this Google form. Another way I can work on making my Google Forms private is that I'll head over to the top here to this share icon where you have the plus sign, click on it, and then ensure that my Google form is limited or restricted to a particular people. So as you can see, it is restricted and it's not open to anyone with the link. So I'll restrict that and then set that and then copy the link and I'll share that to the particular persons I want to have access to this form. So these are different ways you can make your Google form private. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to make your Google form private. Until next time, bye for now.